This video will guide you through the process of safely unlocking and lifting the hood, also called the bonnet, on your Citroen C5 III. These models were produced from 2007 to 2017. The procedure uses a two-step mechanical latch system designed for safety and ease of use. Knowing this process is crucial for routine maintenance tasks like checking engine fluids or battery health. First, get inside the vehicle. Look for the hood release lever, typically red or orange, located under the dashboard on the driver's side near the pedals. Pull the lever firmly to disengage the primary hood latch. You should hear a click sound, indicating the latch has released. Now, go to the front of your Citroen C5 III. Insert your fingers under the front edge of the hood near the grille. You'll feel a secondary safety catch. Push this catch to the side or upwards to fully release the hood. This prevents accidental opening while driving. With the secondary latch released, carefully lift the hood upward. Locate the hood prop rod, usually attached to the underside of the hood or within the engine bay. Securely insert the prop rod into the designated slot on the hood to keep it open. Ensure it is stable before releasing the hood. Before opening the hood on your Citroen C5 III, always ensure the engine is completely off to avoid any moving parts or hot components. Park your vehicle on a level surface to prevent any unexpected rolling or movement while the hood is open. Wear gloves to protect your hands from sharp edges or hot surfaces under the hood. After closing the hood, always double-check that it's properly latched to ensure safe driving. If the hood doesn't release, try lubricating the latch mechanisms with WD-40 or a similar product. If the secondary catch is jammed, such as after a minor collision, gently wiggle the hood while attempting to release the catch. Avoid forcing anything, as this can cause damage. A common mistake is forgetting to operate the interior lever before attempting to release the secondary catch. This often leads to forcing the hood open, which can damage the mechanism and result in costly repairs. Another mistake is forcing the hood open without properly disengaging the latches. This can jam the mechanism or cause visible damage, as shown here. To avoid these mistakes, always follow the steps in order. First, the interior lever, then the secondary catch, and lift the hood carefully. Regular maintenance is essential to keep your Citroen C5 III hood mechanism working properly. Periodically check the hood latch mechanism for corrosion or damage, especially in wet climates. Lubricate the latches and hinges regularly to ensure smooth operation. During routine car services, request that the mechanic inspect the hood's safety features. Remember, hood-related issues account for 15% of vehicle incidents in aging cars, according to the AA, Automobile Association.